Welcome to Sheet Leveler. My name is Joanne, and I'm here to help you learn to use Excel efficiently and straightforwardly. Our video tutorials make it easy to learn how to use Excel in a few simple steps. Today, we'll show you how to display grid lines in Excel. Let's get started. If you do not see grid lines in an Excel spreadsheet, it may be due to a change in the settings. If you would like to see the grid lines, go to the View tab and select the Grid Lines option located in the Show section. You will be able to see the grid lines in the spreadsheet immediately, which will make it easier to move between the cells. To get rid of the grid lines, go to the View tab, then uncheck the Grid Lines box in the Show section. The grid lines will be instantly removed and the spreadsheet will be free of clutter. If you found this tutorial helpful, give my video a like. If this is your first time here, hit that subscribe button and join our online community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.